Hello there. How to scrap bulk news from Google News API, and how to post 100 news in WordPress simultaneously in one go. Disclaimer. This video is used only for educational and tutorial purpose. This YouTube channel is not responsible for any type of copyright placed by the original news sourcer. You must use this tutorial to get the news source and then use it to create your own news with your own views. In this video I will teach you how to scrap news in bulk using Python script. Also in this video you can scrap news in English and then you can translate all the scraped news in Hindi so that you can easily post them in either language, whatever you prefer. And then sort all the bulk news in Excel in the format of WordPress bulk uploads, and one can easily upload 100 news in single upload. And I will also let you know how can you further manipulate the news from original source and can use it on your website. First of all, you need a script of Python, which is available in the link below in the description of this video. You can start the script and then click on first script, that is pip install pygoogle. After that, import pygoogle and panda library from Python. After that, create the Google News API. Use your desired language and country. Here I am using English language and India as country. Now let's create the search. Use any keyword to search news, then click on Let's look at the entries. And then print them if the search keyword is working according to desired results. After that, go to next code and run it to loop through the actual titles from the scraped news links. Now there is next code, which is used to enter the keyword whatever we want to search. This will only work if previous codes were run successfully. Now fill your language and country code again and then type your keyword in get titles code. And then run the code. Next, let's create a dictionary so that we can get the date of publish, link and title. Again, use your language and country. And fill up your keyword again in get titles. And then run the code. As you can see, links are extracted. After this, run next code to save a data frame so that we can start translating what we have. And then run next code to get the result. After getting the news successfully, let's translate the news titles from English into Hindi. Type in your keyword in next code and then run it. And then choose language codes to translate from and to. Now run the next code to get the sentiment and translations. Now run next code to create the class to get it in the columns. Now run next code to get the result of sentiment and translation, and then run the next codes for sorting and getting published and date-wise news. At last, run the code to export the extracted result table in Excel CSV file. As you can see, we have successfully scraped news titles and link of source news for a desired keyword. Now we can use these news to create news for WordPress news website. After successfully scrapping news, to learn how to sort these news for WordPress format and then upload in bulk, please watch the next video in this series. You can find the link below in the description. For any type of queries, you can post your comments in the comments section. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorial and informational videos and free multi-services provided by Waxall. Thanks again.